Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. Hold your pencil and scale and take out your drawing paper and let's draw. Today I am drawing a very easy scenery. I am drawing a straight line using a 6 HP pencil. You can use any pencil you are comfortable with as it's a beginner scenery. So I'll always say that just draw whatever items you have and don't get into any restrictions. I am drawing some mountains, drawing 3 triangles using the scale. My Indonesian viewers, my Bangladeshi viewers, my Pakistani viewers and my Indian viewers, Assalamu alaikum to all of you, and very thank you to all of you for watching and liking my videos. I really love to read your comments in my short section. So I am very happy to see your response getting more and more growing on my videos day by day. I hope you like my videos and never forget to comment on my videos. I love to see your comments and I try harder to give you response to your each comment. So never forget to share and subscribe my video and also like it. So I am drawing a river directed from the mountain. Now on the right side we will be drawing a little hut as I am drawing. If you have any queries, any questions regarding drawing, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll give you reply as soon as possible. So I am drawing a tree right next to that hut using the same pencil. It's a very darker pencil. You can use a lighter pencil also, but I use this darker one so that it looks more clear in the video. On the left side, I'll be drawing another hut. Just the same as on the right side, drawing a window and a door on it. And on the right side, a little small tree. I hope you are enjoying my videos and learning day by day, because I make more and more easier videos for you to learn.